How to look at calculator history on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to look at calculator history on Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, launch calculator application on your device. And after that, you need to head towards three dots at top right corner of the screen. From this drop down menu box, you will get two options, history and settings. Simply you need to tap history, and currently we don't have history because we previously deleted. If you have any histories on calculator, you can simply view it on your device. So, depending upon your Android model, there might be different ways of getting the history, but in this Realme, there is the shortcut way that is simply you need to tap the three dots and get the history by selecting history. If you wish to delete all the histories, you can select all the histories and clear all. So that is how we look at a calculator history on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.